Thinking about selling? Well, some upgrades don't return even $1. I'll tell you which ones coming up next. Thinking about selling your condo in Waikoloa Beach, but you don't know what needs to be repaired or remodeled before you put it on to get top dollar? Hey everyone, Dan Polimino from the Hawaii team in KW Big Island, and that question came in this week's episode of Ask the Hawaii Team, and there's really no secret. It's not specific to region. You could be in California, you could be in New York, you could be in Hawaii, and the same thing is always true, which is kitchens and baths. If you need to repair, or I would suggest remodel, to get the most return on your investment, to get the biggest bang for your buck, spend that money in kitchens and baths. Countertops, cabinets, fixtures, flooring, tile in the bathrooms, get the carpet out of the bathrooms, change the vanity, change the light fixtures, redo the tile in the bath, things of that nature, all pretty common sense stuff. A second or a tier 2 repair or remodel would be flooring. Flooring's big. People love to see new flooring. I've had over the years people say, well, we'll give a credit for new carpeting. No. People don't see a credit when they walk in to your unit. They'll see new carpeting, but they won't see a credit. And so credits for new carpeting don't ever work. And in Hawaii, you know, tile, luxury vinyl, a pre-engineered hardwood are really, really preferred given our weather and wear and tear. Paint is always a good way to go. You cannot paint enough, right? Clean walls, ones that are dug, marked, no good. Same thing with the baseboards. Like, don't skimp. Do the baseboards, do the base walls, do it all. And those are some of the easy, common sense stuff. Some stuff that's not expensive is changing out fixtures, light fixtures, plumbing fixtures, hardware, door hardware. That stuff is easy, and it really can make a big difference. If you've got 1990s brass, people say, oh, brass is coming back. Yeah, real brass is coming back, not 1990s brass. Like, swap that out for an oil rub bronze, a brushed nickel, something that's more popular today. And if you want more help on that, I happen to be involved in a renovation company. My partner and I do renovate properties. We renovate them for you to just enjoy, or we renovate them and get them ready for sale so you can get a higher dollar figure. So if you want to know more about that, contact me on my cell phone. Give me a call at 808-987-3306, 808-987-3306, or check us out at thehawaiiteam.com. And until we talk again, aloha.